So over time, you may have had multiple conversations with Claude, and then you may not find the chat that you're looking for easily. So in order to go ahead and quickly search for it, you can simply go to the search tool right here on the top, and then what you can do is you can go ahead and search for the chat that you want. For example, you can go ahead and say music, and wherever you have added in, let's say music in the title of the chat, it will show up right here. So this is what you have. Let me just go around over here, and you can see that I can even go to chat right here, where you can see all of your chats that you have. Here, you can go ahead and then type in a word, and then depending on the chat name, the chats will be filtered, and then you can go ahead and click to go to that particular chat as well. So apart from going around over here on the left hand side, you can quickly go to the search menu right here, and you can see the recent chats as well, and then navigate around to access that particular chat easily in Claude. So that is basically how you can search out for contents in chats in Claude AI. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe